Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm in the mood for wings again, but not just any wings. Buldak wings, and not just any buldak. Buldak Carbonara. This is my favorite one. I love the Buldak Carbonara. I like the creamy carbonara more, but they don't have creamy carbonara. I can't speak today. They don't have creamy carbonara in this, but they do have carbonara. So join me in my kitchen as I cook. Our ingredients today are, of course, the chicken wings, cornstarch, salt, paprika, white pepper, unsalted butter. I have the carbonara bulldog hot sauce, granulated garlic, garlic powder, and onion powder. So now I'm going to put all our seasonings onto the chicken. Now that my wings are all nice and seasoned, I'm gonna get some cornstarch so I can dip them into the cornstarch. I wanna do this different than I do the other wings. I'm not gonna add the cornstarch to it, but I'm just gonna coat them in the cornstarch. So I'm gonna grab my cornstarch and just add cornstarch to this bag. I'm going to just start plopping these in, not too many at a time. You want to coat them nicely and just shake them. And I'm going to let this sit. All right, I have a couple going already. I just wanted to test my oil. So I'm going to put my wings after they've been sitting for a while. It's been like, I don't think it's been 10 minutes. It's been more like 5 minutes. I'm gonna put a batch. You don't want to overcrowd the pot. And I'm just gonna stir this up a little bit just to make sure they're not stuck to the bottom. And then I'm gonna let these go for 12 to 14 minutes. I wouldn't go over 16 minutes, but it depends on how crunchy, how hard you like your wings. Some people like it fried more than others. And I think for me, I like about 15 minutes. While the wings finish cooking, I'm going to start making our sauce in this pot back here. For that, I'm going to get half of this stick of butter, and I'm just going to let that butter melt. And I'm not going to touch it at all until it melts, and hopefully the wings will be done by then, and that way we can add our bulldog sauce and we can toss the wings. We're almost there. We're like 3.5 minutes left. All right. It's been 14 minutes and look at these wings. They look so great. Okay, let's see if these are crispy. Yep, they are. I have to taste this because it sounds so crispy and delicious, and you know I just can't not taste the chicken wing. Woo. Let me get the sauce on this. All right, so as these wings finish cooking, I'm going to start, let's shake, with our bulldog sauce. I'm using the carbonara flavoring because that's my favorite. And I'm just gonna add a whole bunch to the butter. Guys, I think I added half the bottle. Just mixing it up with this, and now I'm going to coat my wings. All right, so we're done with all of the chicken wings. They're coming out nice and golden. I'm going to take it out of the oil and put it in my bowl. And then I'm going to get them coated in sauce. So I'm just going to pour this over the wings and toss them up. Let me get this plated up, and I'm going to get these the seaweed snacks. It's Tteokbokki sweet and spicy seaweed snacks I got at Costco. Well, I started crunching them up, but I'm going to crunch them up so I can just dress the plate. I'm finally gonna taste these wings. Look how nice they look. They came out so good, and it smells like carbonara buldak. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. You can taste the buldak, the carbonara flavor. Oh my gosh. This is the forefront. The wings are seasoned too, and I'm starting to get that spicy kick. Oh my gosh. I should serve this with noodles, but I think that's too much. I'm just kidding. I'm not, but I'm not gonna do that right now. That's delicious. Okay. Let me stop. Look at my fingers. I'm gonna go eat. So if you liked this video, go ahead and hit like down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bon appetit.